Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain what is Roborock SmartPlan. So on your in the app you can see that when you click on the mapping mode on the vacuuming mode, then you'll see SmartPlan. When you click on it, it'll turn it on, and here you cannot change the settings for suction and other stuff like the water volume, because it automatically learns about your space and adapts to it. So it will use AI to adapt to your space, so you will not have to change your settings yourself. It will do it automatically. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.